Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. In our previous videos we have seen many things, and now we are going to see random numbers. So our today's topic is random numbers, which I have mentioned over here in the comment line. Okay, so in previous videos we have seen single line, multi-line commenting, like these kind of things. Python does not have a random function. Okay, so if we see a random thing, so here we will not be having random function. So here, in order to use this random function, you need to import it from its modules. Okay, Python will be having inbuilt modules from which we need to import this function. So in order to do that, I'm going to add import in front of random, so that I'll be able to use all the things which are there in random module. Okay, so here I'm going to see whether this random module has been imported properly or not. For that, I'm going to see print of random dot rand range of 1 to 10. In between range of 1 to 10, I want to pick up a random number. For that purpose, I am going to use this rand range of random. So I'm going to run it. What output will I be able to get? It's a 6. Okay, as you run it a number of times, the output will vary from time to time running. So here 6 7 4, what 6 7 4 output it's giving, like in means here in between a range of 1 to 10, it prints anything at once. And then if I go with two print statements, then we'll be having two different outputs, 3 and 7. And if we go with another print statement, then we'll be having different numbers, right? Why it's happening means we are going to pick up a random number among 1 to 10. This is what the random function is. And then we'll be going with multi-line string. Similar to the multi-line comment, single line comment, here also we'll be having single line string and multi-line string. In order to assign multi-line string, you need to use triple quotations. Okay, 3 quotations you need to have. Either it might be of single quotation or double quotations. 3 you need to use it. Okay, so here Ram is a good boy. He studies well, scores good marks. This is what the statement I have written in between 3 quotations. And then I'm going to print this print of x. I'm going to do, and I'm going to run it, whether this thing will accept a multi-line string or not. So here it accepted, right? Multi-line string means you need to mention 3 quotations, either it might be of single quotes or double quotes. Okay, so let us see what happens if we use triple quotes, whether it will work or not. We'll see. Okay, so here I'm going to run it. So even then it will take the input as a multi-line string. So here next we'll be moving with string array. So I'm going to delete this print statement. We'll be using another print statement in our next thing. So for that purpose, now we'll be going with string array, right? Like many other programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode character. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply string with a length of 1. So if we are having if we are having a single letter, then we'll be having a single length string. So here we'll see about how to look the length of string. Before going to that, we will be seeing the character positions, how we are going to fetch the character positions. So in order to fetch that, I'm going to use print of x. In square brackets I'm going to mention 1. and I'm going to run it. Okay, so here it has taken 2. So here it is reference of position reference value, that is 1. 1 belongs to A. That means from starting, if you count, it starts with 0 and so on. Okay, so here I'm going to add a comment. So first position starts with 0. As you go on, or as you move in forward direction, the numbers will increase, that is +1 will get added to that next statement. Okay, then we'll call all the things. Next we'll be going with the print x of let us say 2, and let us run this. So am. Next, second thing is am, right? Like this, if you want to fetch any value, you will be able to do it like this. So in order to see whether it is taking space or not, we are going to look through this one. Okay, I have taken 1, 2, 3 and 4 excluding 0, so r will be excluded, and I'm going to run it. So here it has taken first value as a, second as m, next as a space it has taken, and then it has taken I. That means space will also be counted as a character position. Okay, next we'll be going through looping through string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. So let us take an example. For I in banana, we are going to print, sorry, here I have given or has been spelled wrong. For I in banana, I'm going to print of I, and I'm going to run it. What output will I be able to get is here I have given x, right? For I in banana, what output will I be able to get? So here it will read, so here it will get loop banana from here on, right? From here on you will be able to see bananas has been read through a looping. So for x in banana means, for I in banana represents, for first I, the first reference value of I is b, it will print. Then again it will go to next, again it will go to next, again it will go to next, like that it will get moved to b to a to n, like that. The next letters will get printed over here. Then next we'll be moving through the string length. So in order to find string length, we need to use print of a simple 3-lettered word, that is length, we need to use, and then we need to define variable. So here variable I have taken is x, and I am going to run it, so that what output will I be able to get will be same. So here we'll be having 54 spaces, 54 character positions we are having. So here ram 1, ram 0, like the ram as 1, 2, a as 2, m as 3, space as 4, like that. If you count from r to s, then we'll be having total 54 positions. This is what it has been printed. And then we'll be going with checking in string. So I'll be putting it in as a comment. as it is a next topic. So here, okay, so to check if a certain phrase or a character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. Simply by using in, we'll be able to find whether there is a character or a character inside the string or not. So we'll be taking example text is equal to text as a variable, and then I'll be taking Python is Python codes is free, all you need is time. This is what the statement I have taken for this variable, and then I'm going to see whether free word is there in text or not. This is what. So here, in order to see whether something is present, that is either character or a word, we need to use in order to look after this. Okay, so then if it is there in text, it will print true. If it is not there, then it will print false. So now I'm running this thing, so I got it as a true. So that means here free word is there in this particular variable. So in string there is free term. So let us see, we'll see amazing is there in this text or not, and we are going to run it. So it printed false. So that means amazing word isn't there in the variable which is assigned with a string of Python course is free, or free, all you need is time. So this word is not present in this thing. Okay, this is how we are going to check in a string. Now we'll see if statement. Through if statement, what we can see, we can do see. So here already we have defined the text as Python course is free for all you need to do is time. If free in text, so free is a string, we need to mention it in between quotations. If free is there in text, then we are going to have print of yes, free is there in text. Okay, let us see what output will we be getting. Yes, free is there in text. So here if statement uses this, how we are going to use this if statement. If it is present in it, then print statement. If not, don't print it. Okay, then next we'll be learning more about if and else, and if else if in our further classes. To check certain phrase or character is not present in a string, we can use the keyword not in. Okay, so till now we have seen it is there in or there in it or not. So now we are going to check not in is the keyword we are going to use in order to check a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, right? So already we have given that one. Then we are going to take print of, in between double quotations, expensive not in. This is what the keyword we are going to use in it, not in text, and then we are going to run it. So it says it's a true. Expensive word is not there in text, that means it's true. Okay, not in. So if here if we use in, then it will print false, right? So if we use not in, it will read it is not there in text means yes. Okay, now we'll see if statement, how we are going to write it over here. Okay, if statement. Okay, so then here I'm going to write if expensive not in text, then print no expensive is not present. Okay, now I'm going to run it. The final statement is no expensive statement is not there in it. Okay, this is what about random numbers, multi-line string array, and how we are going to loop through the string, and how we are going to have how we are going to fetch the length of the string. And then I have moved towards if, and if with using if it is there in it or not there in it, we are going to loop through it, right? This is with this I'll be winding up this video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.